Do you think the 25% move where we're seeing in Snap and pre-market, is that justified?
Options market told you that the implied volatility was around 17%. So this was exactly what the market was expecting. This is a very gamed out stock, and this shorting thing is probably putting a capitulation low on this stock. This is a 3-year low, SEMA. And what's fascinating about an $8 per share price for Snap is this is now in line enterprise value to sales, price to sales, and price to book with the S&P 500. So Snap, which is a growth company, even though they're not growing now, obviously they got some real headwinds with this advertising revenue pricing problem, but they got engagement up on their shows. They've got daily active users up 20% year on year. So when this advertising slump gets out of the way, which is basically asking the inflation rate to come down, is kind of the same story, you're getting a great entry point. The other thing I would point out to you, Seema, is that the reason they issued the $500 million in share buybacks this quarter is not because the shares are so cheap. It's because they issued restricted stock units out to so many employees. So that's an insider trading, writ large for people to look at. Is that if they're putting in their investors in now, you want to get into.
So what's your rating on the stock, and at what levels would you say is it time to buy?
Oh, absolutely would change to a buy right now at the $8 price. You're not going to see this price. You haven't seen this price in 3 years, SEMA. 3 years. So you got a 3-year low in Snap. The IPO price is 17. We're at 8 right now. You can double your money to the IPO price. I could get to $30 a share probably in 18 months, not 12, because I think you're going to have a lot of headwinds with inflation, taking its course and the Fed not getting out of the way. We all know those stories. But Snap is a classic stock where you're going to get a great play and a great lift on the back end of that story, and the market is always forward-looking. So that's the problem here. If you don't get in now, is you're going to have to put up with some volatility. This is a very gamed-out stock.
Yeah.
But the upside's huge. Triple your money.
John, what about the weakness we're seeing across the social media space, whether it's Meta, Pinterest, Twitter, which is also moving on other reasons? But would you be a buyer of any of these names that are clearly moving based on what we heard from Snap last night?
Actually, I might take a look at Pinterest. I think that's an interesting company. I don't like Meta. I would not touch Meta. I think Meta is way behind the curve on a lot of these things. Their user engagement is much lower. They're much more dated in time. I mean, the nice thing about Snap is they're really embedded in the Los Angeles ecosystem right now. And they have that 13 to 33 demographic. They have 3/4 of that group. So very hard with that combination of LA and that demographic not to like this company from an advertiser perspective. So I think you got to be much more discriminating about these social media names. Today, it's a short play. They're all in the same ETFs. They all get sold off together. But long term, you got to be a picker here, and I would be a picker on Snap. Probably Pinterest and stay away from Meta.
Lastly, your quick take on your quick takeaway of earnings season thus far. We were about to enter a busy week next week.
Yeah, Zach's got a 1% year-on-year outlook for earnings in the fourth quarter, and I'll just put that out there. That's exactly identical to what Snap's management said for their forecast. They're going to be flat year-on-year in the fourth quarter. What I would point out to people is the fourth quarter of 2022 is year-on-year comps to the fourth quarter of 2021, which in many ways was the last COVID era period. So I would, not be too concerned about that outlook of 1% earnings growth. We're seeing beats and, raises on outlooks that are, lower than normal, but not to be so concerned with outside of a 5-year norm.
Okay.
So generally speaking, pretty good.